ITER, International Thermonuclear Experimental Reactor, is the world's largest nuclear fusion experiment currently being built in France. During the construction of the facility, engineers needed a safe and secure method of connecting structural hollow section (SHS) beams and pipe supports that would carry pipelines around the huge plant. The engineer decided to specify Hollo-Bolt, the original expansion bolt for structural steel, that requires access to only one side of the SHS. Hollo-Bolt was chosen as it offered significant benefits including fast installation, high strength capacity, and a wide range of independent technical accreditations, which include the CE mark, TÜV, and ICC-ES seismic approvals. The contractor used size M20 hexagonal head Hollo-Bolts, with hot-dipped galvanized finish, to connect the SHS supporting beams to the structural steelwork already installed within the facility. Size M8 stainless steel Hollo-Bolts were then used to connect smaller pipe support brackets to the SHS. Hollo-Bolts provided a solution which avoided having to weld or bolt through the body of the SHS. They also met the IAEA guidelines for nuclear power plant construction, as Hollo-Bolts carry full and independent ICC-ES approval for seismic design categories A through F. Key benefits: ICC-ES seismic approval for SDC, A through F. Fast installation from one side only. No specialist equipment required to install. No hot work permits or area closures required. High corrosion protection finishes. For more information, visit the case study section on our website.